Hello, Internet. In this video, I wanted to tell you about the future of this project and the future of this channel because I have changed my mind about some little things after getting some more experience. And in this video, I will tell you how I see the project and what you should expect, what you should not expect from this channel. So first of all, I wanted to say that it takes a lot of time, all this thinking, analysis of the content, creation of the content, also creation of the structure of the business itself. And I don't have much time. I have also my PhD. I also need to do something that pays off also right now and not will maybe potentially pay off in the future. And also I calculated how many people should do this project, and that's like 9 people. I have a list of them, which I maybe will discuss later in this video. But currently the only person who is doing this project is me, and I'm working only half of my time because I have also PhD, which I am doing right now. And it's also important for me to finish PhD. So totally 0.5 people are working, and we need 18 times more people to make this project work. Another thing that I wanted to tell you is that during this more than 4 months of the project, I didn't manage not only to find an investor, but also didn't manage to have any serious discussion with any really interested person who can invest to this project. And it's kind of surprising because like that's a clear idea. What are we doing? We are creating an app for fast work with information. That's really important because right now all all famous AI tools like ChatGPT, they can answer questions pretty nice, but the problem is that you need to have an environment for work with this information with comfort. And that's our solution. You can be very more productive with our app. So if you estimate revenue of our app, you can look at revenue of Overleaf and divide it, let's say, by 2, and that's the estimation of revenue of our app after, let's say, half of a year of already being at the release, and it's 500,000 euros. Or you can look at Google Notebook LM and divide by, I don't know, 10, let's say, their revenue, and you will also get around like million euros per month. So that's a huge scale, and what we need is just around 100,000 of euros for just creation of the app, good promotion and release and search for people. And I feel that it's not actually really hard. It will definitely pay off for investor, but I have no idea how to find them. It feels like a dead end a little bit for now. And in general, the main point of this video is that the project will be kind of little bit frozen for maybe 4 or 6 months because I have no idea how to move forward during this time because I don't have investors. If I don't have investors, I can't hire people. Without people, it's just impossible to do this project. It's not the project that will be created by AI in one night. We should really think about the structure of the app. We should develop each piece of the app and test it. And that's a big job. We need to make sure that app will be without bugs. And all these user databases will be working, AI tools will be connected well without problems. So it's like 4 months of work approximately, and right now there are no people, there are no money for this work. Yeah, and now I will tell you what you should expect and what you should not expect from this channel. So what you should expect is that I will continue to do streams because, as I was saying already several times, that's the best way to learn science. When you speak, when you explain, when you see at least some anonymous users who are coming and then leaving after 3-4 minutes, never ask any questions, but still it's a dynamic interactive format which never makes me bored. And that's definitely will be approximately 2 times per week, maybe more, but it's better to do 2 times because other time I will spend on improving the format, gaining more skills. Then you should expect some reels about the streams, because of course no one watches the streams. It's too much, it's so useless, because that's science, right? You can't apply it. It's just a knowledge about something in the world. Yeah, it's there if you need it. That's very useful, but if you don't need it, that's not useful. And the majority, nearly like more than 8 billion people, will never need this in their life. That's fine. So in order for people to learn about this channel, that's the idea of creation of reels. So you should also expect this. And the last thing that you should expect is maybe some blog format talks. Because sometimes I want to tell something about the project or about my life, and that can be also there in the channel. There are really a lot of ideas that could be realized, but most likely they will be not realized in the nearest 4 or 5 months. And I want to finish with telling you who is needed for the project. Why do we need this money for investment? So we need HR manager, marketologist, project growth specialist, content creator, leader of users, user experience specialist, 2 front-end developers, 1 backend developer, and tester and bug finder. So if you want to know more, write comments. I have a description of them, but there is no sense to speak 5 minutes about them. No one will be watching this. And if you really want, you can just ask in the comments everything about it. So thank you for watching, and put like and subscribe if you want to support the channel. And reminder that there is also a donation button which you can use to especially support the project. And I hope to see you on my streams. Bye bye.